Hello, welcome to Thinkally once again. My name is David Adeniji, and Thinkally is Nigeria's largest school management software with over 500 schools, close to 1,000, and over 1 million students on the portal as we speak, and it is growing. The number is growing. Thank you very much. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add media. When we say media, we talk about images, we talk about documents. It could be PDF, Word files, or text files that you want to keep for distribution within the system. So I head on to, let me log out and show you, as I've always done in every tutorial, how to log in. This is where you enter the username, demo. Of course, I'm using the demo login to show you all of this. For your school, you must have had your school username, and if you're a teacher, you must have been given one, your login credentials. I head on to the media module and I click on media. As I click on media, you have these two buttons. One, you could create a folder. This, you could click to add the media file, and this is a notes folder. You can add notes in that place, but then I don't want to add notes yet. Let me add, you see what I have? You look for the file right within your system. Where can the file be? I can pick any of these files. Let me pick any of them. Can I pick this? Maybe payment history of a particular payment parent or student. What do I do next? I upload the media file. You see it? This is a file. If you click it, it just downloads. It downloads. I mean, the beauty of this is you are the admin. You are adding a media file. You can use it anytime you like. You can distribute it anytime you like. You could also add media as a note. This is note folder. You can create a new folder for other things. Thinkally is very robust. You know, the best way to grasp the power of Thinkally is to use it. So get on the system now. Get on your phone or get on your computer and log in and begin to try all of what I've been showing you, especially what I just showed you in this very tutorial where I showed you how to add media. If you have questions, drop it in the comment box below, or send us an email, or you could give us a call, info@thinkally.net, and also the phone number is on whichever medium you are using to view this tutorial. I'm glad I'm doing this with you. My name is David Adeniji. This is Thinkally, and we continue in the very next tutorial. Thank you very much.